In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on Monday.com. Navigating multiple accounts can be a bit tricky, but I'm here to make it straightforward and simple for you. Let's dive right in. First, what you want to do is open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you're already familiar with Monday.com, you know it's a versatile platform used for team management and collaboration. Sitting in front of your computer with the website open, the first page you'll typically see is your main dashboard with all your current projects or boards. Now, once you've got Monday.com in front of you, look at the top right corner of the page. You will notice there's a profile icon up there. This is usually a small circle with either an image or just your initials if you haven't uploaded a picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your starting point for many navigation tasks, including switching accounts. With the profile menu expanded, you should see several options listed, and among them will be switch accounts. Clicking on switch accounts is the key step here. If you have multiple accounts linked to your Monday.com profile, this option is where you can toggle between them seamlessly. It's a straightforward function, but being able to switch quickly means you can manage different projects or teams without needing to log out and log back in every time. After clicking switch accounts, a drop-down menu will appear listing all the accounts you have access to. This is where you need to be a little bit observant. Simply scroll through the list and find the specific account you wish to access. Once you've found it, click on the account name and you'll be swiftly redirected to that account's specific dashboard. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the steps to switch accounts on Monday.com. Remember, this process can be repeated as often as needed, making it a versatile tool for handling different teams, projects, or even roles within your organization. Keep in mind that for security purposes, you should ensure that your account credentials are always protected and never shared. For efficiency, make sure you're logged into the correct accounts and have them linked appropriately. This will save you a lot of time in the future. Also, if you encounter any issues while switching accounts, Monday.com's Help Center and support team can be quite helpful. They offer resources and guidance for troubleshooting should you find yourself in need of additional support. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this helped clarify how to switch accounts on Monday.com. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out via comments and I'll be happy to assist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on how to efficiently use Monday.com and other productivity tools. Happy organizing and see you in the next video.